How to cancel Bumble premium subscription. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Play Store, then open up your profile, and here select the option of payments and subscriptions. Now select the option of subscriptions, and over here you would be able to find your Bumble subscription if you have subscribed, and just simply select it and cancel it up. In case if you're not able to see it over here, simply open up your Bumble app, then open up your profile. There, simply scroll down and you would be able to find a section called subscriptions. Simply click on it. Then you would be able to find a hard to see option, which is the cancel option. Simply click on it in order to cancel it up. And this is how you would be able to cancel Bumble premium subscription. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.